Okay, so I made a couple of modifications to my Caddx turtle camera just so it'll be a little bit safer in crashes. And I know that they've gone to this new type of cable here. So it's obviously a little bit better than the ribbon cable that the RunCam Split Mini comes with, but it has also some downsides. And one of the things I found was that these little thin wires here can get snagged on something, and you don't want to be pulling on these wires and then pulling it out of the connector itself right there. So what I've done is I've put some liquid electrical tape on the connector where the wires go in to kind of hold them together so that they can't get snagged. And then I also put some tape here, wrapped it around the wires themselves on both sides here. So you have the one little piece right here that kind of holds it together, but there's so many places where it can get snagged, and even here you can see that it could still possibly get snagged here, but I still want to have some flexibility in the cable so I can maneuver it. And you can see that I also put some liquid electrical tape around the little wires there where it goes into the camera board as well. So I'm thinking that that'll probably help, especially if you have any crashes. There's going to be lots of G-forces that might be putting stress on these wires, and if these wires break or if they're drag somewhere else, then you're gonna lose the functionality of the camera. So I thought these couple of little modifications might be helpful. Yeah, do this at your own risk. Not sure, 100% sure if this is the best thing for this or not. Obviously, time will tell. But I just noticed that as I was handling this camera and working with it, that I kept snagging the little wires here. So I just wanted to make sure they didn't get pulled out. I think that this is probably a pretty decent solution. Obviously, you're going to want to be careful still with how you mount this and everything, and don't want to be putting too much stress on the actual wires themselves when you mount this into your craft. And then you also want to put the wires out of the way so they don't get snagged by anything or fall outside of the body of the frame. So a couple tips there for your turtle Caddx or Caddx turtle camera for you. Hopefully this will help you out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.